Hey guys, Eric Roberts from Apex Piano. I've had a couple of you guys ask me recently, do you need a $400 tuning hammer to start tuning pianos? The answer is no. You do not need that. In fact, there are a lot of simple tools. I'm going to put links in this description, so make sure you leave your comment, leave a thumbs up, and also check the links in this description for some really affordable tuning hammers you can get from Amazon. That's the easiest, quickest way to get going. Now, I'm working on putting together a tool case for my program for apexpiano.com and all that, but right now you can click on any link in the description and my exact recommendation for the best tuning hammers for the best price. Now, there are a bunch of cheap, crappy tuning hammers out there that I would not suggest you buy. So don't buy a cheap, crappy tuning hammer. Buy one of the ones that are inexpensive and in the link below. But check out this. I'm going to show you my tool case right now and really what you really need to get started with the course. First of all, you're going to need a tuning device. So my tuning device is right here, and it's a Sanderson AccuTuner. Now this AccuTuner cost relatively a lot, about $1,700. But there are links in this description of this video for the TuneLab app, which you can get a free version of it to test it out. And you can even go through the Apex Piano Way tuning course with the free version of TuneLab, which is genius. That is genius. So you don't even have to buy a tuning device to get started, and you don't use a guitar tuner. Use TuneLab if you want a very inexpensive version. And then obviously the next thing you need is a tuning hammer. Now this is the Shark tuning hammer. It's expensive. It's $375 to $400 depending on how it works. But you don't need this either. You just need a tuning hammer in the description below. One of the basic tuning hammers. And then you need a couple mutes. So I like these mutes, but really you don't even need any fancy mutes. You know, these are the mutes that I talk about in my course, these little skinny mutes, but you really just need either 2 rubber mutes or 2 felt mutes to get started. Okay, later on, when you get into my course, you'll notice that I like the Pabst Treble mute. So basically, don't get too caught up with this. You need a couple simple rubber mutes, or if you're doing grands, you can use these. These are fancy. So let's see. So basically you have the fancy version of what you need, and you have the basic version. So here I will show you again the basic version. A tuning hammer and a couple little rubber mutes. Okay, that's all you really need, along with your free version of TuneLab to start my course, which is called Piano Tuning the Apex Way. Go in the description, apexpiano.com, and you can actually start your journey. That's what I wanted to say today. As I was thinking about, I'm tuning here in the studios today, I wanted to say, don't wait forever. Don't wait for the perfect opportunity. Don't wait until somebody spells everything out to you. If you want to be a piano technician, you can just start. Now, one day you'll find yourself standing in the middle of $1 million studio on a campus or somewhere, and you'll be like, how did I get here? It was one day. I just said, I'm going to do it. I bought a couple cheap tools, and I started learning, and I got a mentor, and that's how you do it. So don't wait. Start at apexpiano.com. I'll see you there.